Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD. And today's Tuesday, May 23rd, 2023. It's 8:28 and 52 seconds, p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And today's research, Holographic Diagnostics. So let's jump to it here. The scientific investigators and researchers study holographic diagnostics in medicine. Date January 22nd, 2014. Source: University of Cambridge. As smart holograms, which are currently being tested to monitor diabetes and could be used to monitor a wide range of medical and environmental conditions in future, have been developed by researchers. The smart holograms can be used to test blood, breath, urine, saliva, or tear fluid for a wide range of compounds, such as glucose, alcohol, hormones, drugs, or bacteria. When one of these compounds is present, the hologram changes color, potentially making the monitoring of various conditions as simple as checking the color of the hologram against a color gradient. As clinical trials of holographic sensors to monitor glucose levels and urinary tract infections in diabetic patients are currently underway, the researchers say. Researchers use a highly absorbent material known as a hydrogel, similar to contact lenses, impregnated with tiny particles of silver. Using a single laser pulse, the silver nanoparticles are formed into three-dimensional holograms of predetermined shapes in a fraction of a second. When in the presence of certain compounds, the hydrogels either shrink or swell, causing the color of the hologram to change to any other color in the entire visible spectrum, the first time that this has been achieved in any hydrogel-based sensor. A major advantage of the technology is that the holograms can be constructed in a fraction of a second, making the technology highly suitable for mass production. And currently, a lot of medical testing is performed on large expensive equipment. While these sorts of inexpensive, portable tests aren't meant to replace a doctor, holograms can enable people to easily monitor their own health and can be useful for early diagnosis, which is critical for so many conditions. The holographic sensors produced by the Cambridge team are much faster, easier, and cheaper to produce than current technologies. It is estimated that a single sensor would cost just 10 pence to make, which would make it particularly useful in the developing world where the cost of current glucose tests can be prohibitive. The entire sensing process is reversible, and the same sensor may be reused many times, after which it may be easily disposed of. In addition to the clinical tests currently underway in the laboratory against current state-of-the-art glucose monitoring technology, the researchers are developing a prototype smartphone-based test suitable for both clinical and home testing of diabetes and clinically relevant conditions. In addition to medical applications, the holographic technology also has potential uses in security applications, such as the detection of counterfeit medicine, which is thought to cause hundreds of thousands of deaths each year. And this is a Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.